What's up, y'all? I just want to do a quick video showing y'all how I'm testing my IPR valve. Y'all already know I got this 6.0 project going on, so putting everything back together, but I just wanted to make sure the IPR valve was functioning before I bought another one. So this is my setup. I use this air hose right here. I got a valve right here, and this is my air line going back to my tank. And this is my IPR valve. And I got an old connector pigtail in here, and I got my probe, and I got my ground going to one side of the pigtail, and I'm going to show y'all what happens when I release the air. When I turn the valve on, all right, you hear it, you hear the air free flowing over here. So when I take my probe and I'll apply 12 volts to it, boom, it stops. And do it again, boom. So my IPR valve is functioning. Boom. Just like that, real quick and simple.